Hello, hi, good evening. Today we are going to learn about rebar placement methods in Revit. Okay, so here I have a small structural model. Okay, I'm going to level 1 and I'm going for a section. So here let's take a section here. Let's take a section here. I'm supposed to rotate this section and I need a section from here. Go to view. This is my column. Here I'm going to place a rebar. Let's go to rebar. When I want to place a rebar, I have 4 options to place rebar. Number 1, expand it to host. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference. Let's say we have a stirrup and expand it to host. That means when I'm highlighting the member, it's automatically going to extend till the cover. Okay, and I can just place with a click. The second option is by 2 point. In case if I have 3 rebar, then I have to draw the rebar till here and I have to draw another rebar from here to here, right? So this is a 2 point method and this one is expand to host method. The next option is freeform. So this freeform will work only in the 3D. So I'm going to show you the sketch method now. I'm going for a section. So here, when I select the member, I can take rebar and I can choose expand to host and I can place a rebar. I can place a rebar. So this is expanding to the host. If I choose the second method, I can just draw with the 2 click, 1 click and second click, 2 click. So if you want to edit this rebar, you can select and then you can edit the sketch. So you can change the sketch. You can finish. In case if you want to start with the sketch mode, you can select the member, rebar, then sketch. Select the sketch mode, highlight the element, then draw the rebar and finish. So now you know about 3 options. The 4th option, freeform method, we'll see in the next video. Try yourself. If you are having any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.